They're at
Hurry up, Mom.
I know, but that's so disrespectful to be running over people's spot.
Guys, hurry up.
They
Get
were
in.
running on it?
The kids, the
They,
little kids.
no, I was saying they were running
Yes,
on
they're
them?
running all over the plot.
Mom, we better hurry before it
James,
leaves.
I'm not rushing because of a train.
I know,
hate to
because I
tell
was
you,
sitting
kiddo.
there and I was like, wait a minute, why do I hear kids screaming?
I gotta.
And I saw them all.
What do you mean? Oh no, like
Yes,
right
it's
here.
a good day.
Put flowers down and
It's a
stuff.
good day for this.
The train came back again.
They like throw out your flowers.
No,
and
it's
mix it up,
another
like,
one.
rocks
I
or
know.
whatever.
I'm saying
Yeah,
another
that-
train came back again.
Are you gonna go?
Wait.
Aw, dang it. That was
James, it's a train.
Okay!
Wait, what did she just take a picture of?
The street sign, so I remember next time.
Oh, when we come out here.
Yeah. I did pretty good though. I pretty much remembered. I just so it's just left.
Oh, they have a couple of arrangements over here. Like they use a little flower holder.
Whoa, there's a very old green
This is the best picture I took today. I sent it to Kira to reach
I see it.
Let's see
That
when
was
I
nice.
get over there. Bye.
People that it just keeps moving on.
Make that turn.
I saw it.
James, you
I saw
remember
the
that
train.
car on the train tracks?
Oh, yeah.
When it started speeding and it was bouncing everywhere.
I know. And the other car was sitting there and it was
I
gonna
had a dream
go.
that we rode a bike. We all had to ride bikes all the way to Bill Maria's house. And we was on that like riding bikes all the way to the house.
I had a dream that I was on this train and there was a train crash.
No, but mom
Over
told me
here.
that I was driving the truck while we was all riding bikes.
Oh, Shakira, my question is, Shakira,
Alright, sit down. Everyone do this.
My question is, why would they put a train track right next to a cemetery? Because what if the train crashes?
It's not going to be near the cemetery if it crashes. Don't know.
That's not true. It can slide off the rail.
It's not going to end up all the way over there.
if we go too fast, it'll hit something, it'll go in there.
There's a gate. And somebody eating? Are you eating chocolate or something? I smell it. I knew it was that. That's how I was sitting there like, why do I smell the mint chocolate candy? York. That's smell the mint. I know. I smell chocolate and then that's when I smell mint. No, I
And I know there's a train coming. So
cannot wait
we
to get
will
on the
see it while it's gonna move again. So.